All right, we need to take a look at our weather. We've been mentioning there's some activity brewing outside.
Activity, but nothing you need to be worried about in terms of damaging weather. It's just inconvenient as we get closer to rush hour. The showers now knocking on the doorstep of Davidson County and Metro Nashville itself. It's been redeveloping, spreading out. We're not hearing any rumbles of thunder, not seeing any flashes of lightning. This is just plain old rain, but there is a chance of actual thunderstorms a little later on today, developing by late morning as the center of this storm system gets a little closer to us. Now, the heart of it isn't actually going to move through until tomorrow, so we're looking at a wet forecast for the next couple of days. It's possible that a couple of those storms could become a little bit stronger, but overall, our severe weather threat is going to remain low. Technically, it's been classified as a marginal risk. Damaging straight line winds, that's what we'll be watching for from midday into the afternoon. Also be watching for a little bit too much rain in a few spots. It still hasn't been that long since we had those flooding problems a couple weekends ago. Look at the camera shaking around. That tells you how breezy it is out there, so keep both hands on the wheel. Temperatures are still mild. That wind is out of the south. That keeps us warm. Low 60s right now for current readings. Couple spots in the upper 50s. Lewisburg and Tullahoma are a little cooler. There's a lot of cool air off to our west and northwest, and eventually that's going to make its way in. But temperatures in the meantime are going to warm up to the mid to upper 60s by noon. That's about as high as we're going to go. And then we start dropping back as that rain spreads out across the mid-state and the cool air barges in from the west. Temperatures will only be around 60 degrees by 6 o'clock this evening and into the upper 50s and low 60s by 7 o'clock. So we are going to see a cooling trend already tonight, and it's going to be kind of a raw day tomorrow. Highs only in the mid-50s, plenty of lingering shower activity. Saturday will warm up a little bit, around 70 for highs. Same thing on Sunday, but Saturday is still not ideal for outdoor stuff because we do have that chance of scattered showers. Mostly in the afternoon. We'll keep an eye on the timing on that as the weekend gets a little closer.
All right, go you well. In the meantime, raincoat today.
Yeah. All right, coming up after the break, what led to a sports fan